In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unstake on Coinbase. If you're looking to move your assets or simply want to free up your cryptocurrency from staking, following these clear and simple steps will help you accomplish that seamlessly. Let's dive right in. First things first, open the Coinbase app on your smartphone or visit the Coinbase website on your desktop. It's crucial you have your login details handy as you'll need to access your account. Once you've logged in, you'll immediately notice the menu icon, which is represented by 3 horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger icon. You'll find this handy shortcut at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it to reveal a list of options available within your account. Next, you'll want to navigate directly to the Earn or Staking section. This is where all staking activities are managed. The terms earn and staking in Coinbase refer to the same functionality, which allows users to earn rewards on their crypto holdings. Once you're in this section, you will be greeted with a list of your current staked assets. It's worth taking a moment here to familiarize yourself with your stakes to ensure you're unstaking the correct asset. Now select the specific cryptocurrency from your list of staked assets that you wish to unstake. This is crucial because selecting the wrong asset can lead to complications or delays. Once you've selected your crypto, you'll find an option that says Unstake. Click on it to initiate the unstaking process. It's as simple as pushing a button. You'll then be prompted to enter the amount of cryptocurrency you plan to unstake. Be sure to double check this detail, as making an error here may lead to unwanted outcomes. After you've carefully entered the amount, you'll need to confirm the transaction. Be ready for a confirmation prompt that will specify details about the transaction. After confirming, your part in the process is essentially done, but remember you'll have to wait for the unbonding period to complete. This period can take several days, and during this time frame your assets will be in a state of transition. It's important to note that while your assets are unbonding, they'll not be available for use. Also keep in mind that gas fees apply during this process, so it's good to be aware of any additional costs involved. By following these steps, you're well on your way to successfully unstaking your crypto on Coinbase. Remember to be mindful of the unbonding period and any associated fees. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to unstaking on Coinbase. Thanks for tuning in and happy unstaking.